Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this SEO digital intelligence platform, which is Similarweb. So to get started, Similarweb is a premium digital intelligence platform that offers detailed insight into website, app traffic, audience behavior, and competitive benchmarking. It provides clear visual showing traffic source, demographic info, industry comparison, and custom report tools, all wrapped in an intuitive interface that professionals appreciate. Users enjoy the ability to upcraft marketing strategy and support pinches with data-driven insight, but it is not perfect. Users frequently warn the data can be imprecise. Traffic is estimated and often 20 to 30% higher or lower than reliability, and it lacks real-time metric and deep SEO keyword analysis. Review also mentioned a steep price tag and occasional confusion navigating the data-rich interface. So while it's a powerful for high-level strategy and the competitors' intelligence, smaller teams or precision-focused marketers may find it costly and slightly unreliable. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI digital platform. And that's it.